Hi, I'm Lucky Local, the Little White Church in Happyville. I'm so excited to share a remarkable story with you today. It's all about the Church of Christ, which I belong to. There are churches like mine worldwide, and we all have something in common. We are all named the Church of Christ. Isn't that cool? No matter where you go, you'll find people who believe the same things we do. We believe in Jesus Christ. He is our guide and best friend. He told us to believe on His name and to name our church after Him. So that's just what we did. One important thing that unites us is our belief in the Bible and the Book of Mormon. These wonderful and sacred books tell us stories about people who lived long ago and their experiences with God. It's like reading an inspiring adventure book, but it's all true. In both books, Christ showed love and kindness to everyone He met and taught them how to live a good and happy life. We use them both so we can make sure we have the fullness of the gospel in our lives and can stay true to the teachings of Christ. Something sad happened though. A long time ago, people forgot the teachings of Christ and the church faded away. However, something extraordinary happened in 1830. God restored the Church of Christ. It's like a beautiful flower blooming again after a harsh winter. It's truly remarkable. So, my dear friends, remember that no matter where you go, some people believe in the Church of Christ just like we do. We are all united by our belief in Christ's teachings within the Bible and the Book of Mormon. We're like one big family of Christ. I'm so lucky to be part of the Church of Christ, and I hope you feel inspired to learn more about it too. Let's follow Jesus, build our lives on solid rock, and make the world brighter.